Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the new iPhone 13 Pro Max, the biggest phone Apple launched this year. We have it in the color Graphite. This is the iPhone 13 Pro Max, 512 GB storage, and in the color Graphite. It retails at $13.99 in the United States. If you're looking for any other storage options, here is how the price goes. You can spec it up all the way to 1 terabyte and it retails for $15.99 in the United States. This phone was released today, September 24th, and we have our hands on it. Let's unbox and find out what this phone has to offer. The iPhone 13 Pro Max comes in a black box. All the Pro phones come in a black box, and this year they have the back of the phone on the box. This is my first iPhone. I've always used Android phones, and this year it almost seemed like the perfect time to go to an iPhone and make the switch. I'm especially excited to try out the ProRes video that is coming out later and the cinematic mode. It also comes with 120Hz refresh rate. Let's see how this actually is. Let's flip the box around and unbox this. Comes with 2 tabs. Okay. Okay. Here is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. The stainless steel, I'm very scared to touch it because it's going to grab all my fingerprints. So if you'd like to look at it right now before I put my hands on it, here you go. Okay, let's keep the phone aside for a bit and see what comes in the box. In the box, we have a few things. First off, we have the SIM ejection tool, and we have one Apple sticker in white and some information that nobody reads. And lastly, in the box we have the Lightning to USB-C. The iPhone still has Lightning ports, so we need this cable, but it still does not come with a charging brick. It is no surprise that it doesn't come with a charging brick, so I had to go ahead and get one for myself. So I did get the USB-C charging brick from Apple. So let's unbox this real quick. And this also comes with a tab that helps you easily open it. Okay, there is the charging brick. And this lets you connect with USB Type-C. The box also comes with a few things you can read, but, well, and warranty information. And now for the phone. This is the first time I'm seeing an iPhone 13 Pro Max in real life, and it is so beautiful. The camera module is thick with 3 C's. Let's open this paper. The notch, in fact, is a lot smaller. You can notice the difference. Let's power it on and see how the phone is. While the phone powers on, let's unbox a few more accessories that I got for this phone, because this phone is massive. It's almost the size of my face, if you can see it, and it is made of glass on 2 sides. So protecting this phone becomes extremely necessary. So I have a few accessories that I got for this phone. Let's unbox it and I'll show you. I got one more thing from the Apple Store. This is the screen protector they had for the 13 Pro Max. So let's unbox this. Ooh. This should make it easy for you to put on the screen protector. It also comes with the dirt removal sticker and the lint-free cloth. And that's it. And it also has instructions on how to put it on. trying out the cinematic mode and using my dog as my model here as the second person. Let's see if it works on dogs. I guess it does. That's the cinematic mode on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This was a sneak peek for the video that is coming up very soon. If you like this video so far, go ahead and drop a like down below. And I have the full camera review along with the full phone review coming out very soon. If you want to watch those videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can stay tuned whenever that comes out. I also have a lot of accessories that I want to show you guys for this phone. That video is also coming out very soon. I will see you in one of those videos. Until then, signing off, Lightning Girl. Bye!